everyone, hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here, so make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Hotel Trivago. Welcome back everyone to another episode here on Dunk's Money with me, Dunk. So today we're going to talk about Trivago. You've probably heard of Trivago, you've seen the adverts, that Hotel Trivago adverts on TV. So I have recently purchased some shares in Trivago, and I'm going to explain today why. So let's start off with Trivago. So Trivago are listed on the American NASDAQ, and their ticker is TRVG. There is some information for you guys. Trivago had their initial public offering in December 2016, and at that time it was $11.20 for a share in Trivago. And their market capitalization at that time in 2016 was $184 million. And remember that market capitalization, sometimes called market cap, is today's the share price at the time, the share price times the number of shares, and that's your market cap. Now Trivago are a German company. Well, they're based in Dusseldorf in Germany. That's where they're based out of. And as you're probably aware, Trivago, what they do is they are like a hotel room comparison site, and they claim to bring you good prices on hotel rooms. And I've got no reason to doubt that. I personally have never used Trivago, but I know friends who have, and they've quite enjoyed using it. So they seem to me on the sort of outside, they seem like quite a good company. But let's dive into the numbers. I also should have said that Trivago, they've also got just over 1,200 employees. So today, May 2020, their market capitalization currently is $659 million. So it's quite a bit up from back in 2016. Their price to earnings ratio is 35.41, not the lowest, so it's reasonably high, I suppose. Not too high, but 35.41 is higher than higher than some companies I have showed you previously. I remember the price to earnings ratio, guys, is the stock price in comparison to the company's earnings, and we do generally try and aim for a low PE ratio. Their earnings per share, 5 cents. So earnings per share, 5 cents per share, and they don't pay a dividend. Maybe because they're relatively new, trying to save back on the money. I don't know their reasoning for not paying a dividend, but that's possibly part of the reason, because they're quite new on the stock exchange, maybe trying to reinvest in the company and get it growing bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, between 2017 and 2019, if we look at their revenue statement, their total revenue, which is total sales or total turnover, guys, has been dropping each year. However, between 2017 and 2019 was the only year that Trivago actually made a net profit. So you'll let that be a kind of warning to you that their revenue is dropping, but they've only made a net profit in 2019. But for me, at least they've made a profit in 2019. I don't know how 2020 is going to fare, obviously, given the current coronavirus lockdown. And if we look at their balance sheet, their total assets, they've got $1.11 billion of assets, total liabilities $213 million. So loads of wiggle room there between their assets and liabilities, meaning they've got a really nice debt to asset ratio of 19.24%. So although their revenue has been dropping, at least they've got a nice debt to asset ratio, which to me shows a bit of health, which I like. And 2019 they actually started making a profit. Could just be they're a new company, relatively new, and it's taken them time to get to that point of making profit. It can take a while for some companies to break to even break even and start making a profit. So I like the fact that they've got loads more assets than they have liabilities. Probably because they're web-based, I would imagine that's why their liabilities are quite low. They don't have to invest. Like for example, EasyJet, they don't have to invest into planes and massive sort of assets like that. They're very costly. So I'll talk about the shares that I have purchased. So on the 21st of May 2020, I purchased 39 shares in Trivago at $1.51 a share. So in the initial public offering, IPO, so during the IPO, it was $11.20 a share, and I've picked them up there at $1.51 a share. Now, if you look at the coronavirus, the graph, the chart, since the lockdown, the stock price has plummeted. Now, a low price like that doesn't always indicate a very good company or a good time to buy, but for me, I do what works for me, guys. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to buy Trivago shares. I'm just sharing with you what I've done, and I've picked them up at $1.51 a share, as I'm hoping that once all the lockdown eases, we could be looking at it into late next year or the following year. I'm hoping that I'll get a small return on the stock price there. And today, 22nd of May, I had a look at the Trivago stock, and I'm up 65 pence. So at least I'm up. It's always a bonus to be up, I suppose. But let's jump into the app, and you can watch me in live time buying the Trivago shares on Trading 212. Welcome back, everybody, back into the Trading 212 app today, 21st of May 2020, with me, yours truly, Dunk from Dunk's Money. So today I am going to be buying some shares, not on EasyJet, done that already. Trivago. You probably know Trivago, Hotel Trivago, that sort of thing, the advert on TV. Now the reason I am buying Trivago, they only recently listed, so we have a look, 3 months, 1 month, right? So let's have a look right here. So 15th of May, so very, very, very new in terms of being a publicly listed company. And they're currently at £1.85 a share. Although today they've dropped by 3 cents, but my thinking of it is, with the coronavirus lockdown, obviously the hospitality sector has taken a huge hit. They're only newly listed, and I'm going to buy them. And when I think about Tesla was $17 a share when they first listed, and Trivago was $1.85. And they're not saying that Trivago will be like Tesla at all, but I quite enjoy buying, shortly following a initial public offering. So I'm going to buy into Trivago when the market is currently open. Their headquarters are in Germany, so they're a German company, Trivago. But I'll do the analysis with you as usual, guys, out with the app. So I'm going to buy. So I've got about 60 quid. So let's see what I can get. See if that'll work. Might not be enough there. No, okay. Get 40. Right. 39. Go for that. Send by order. So that should execute pretty quickly as the market is currently open. There we go. 39 Trivago at $1.85. Have a quick look here at the instrument details. So it's listed on the Nasdaq. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Am I being silly or am I being clever here? So we'll wait and see what happens with Trivago. Quite interesting, exciting stock. So quite happy with that. The portfolio is growing a wee bit now, which is great. As you saw there, everyone, I bought 39 Trivago shares at $1.51 a share. So I'm quite happy. I'm going to wait the long game. We'll see what happens. I'll be honest with you, I've not seen much good news surrounding Trivago recently. There's not really anything I've seen that's made me think, oh, that's a good sort of sign. The only thing I'm thinking of is that maybe I bought them during a dip, and I'm hoping that once the lockdown lifts and we get back to some sort of normality with holidays, that the stock price will come back up. But we'll have to wait to see. But no, nice debt to asset ratio. They've started making a profit in 2019. So I'm quite happy, and that's what I'm going to do. If you have Trivago shares, let me know in the comments what you think of Trivago and the stock price. Let me know your thoughts on what I've just done. Is it wise? Maybe not. Or maybe it is. Who knows? We'll wait and see. Remember, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like, just to show me that I'm going in the right direction. And as always, remember to hit subscribe so you'll get all my videos as they come out. Remember, stay safe and enjoy trading. Hello everyone, welcome back into the Trading 212 app here today with me, Dunk. It's the 23rd of May 2020. Let's have a quick look at the portfolio on the Trivago shares. Okay, so they're up 68 pence. Obviously the market is closed, but at the close of the market they were up 68p. So that's fine, it's only been 2 days. That's cool. So just a quick update for you all. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money, so should you.